Hello everyone! It's a new hair, new me.
So,
It's same me. Hello vlog!
Kasi nung nakaraan, mga rides. So when ito rides,
Ayun guys, we are going to Center Island today. Since yung last time napunta namin sa Center Island is hindi kami nakapag-ride. So ayan, kasama natin yung mga friends ni Ate Lex today. And yeah, tsaka si Biel. See you guys! Hello guys, so dito na kami sa parking lot. Andyan na pala! Ang galing nga! Balik na tayo guys. Punta tayo, magpe-ferry tayo dyan. Center Island only. Ayan guys, paalis na tayo. We're going na to CN Tower. Ayan sina Ate Dami. Guys, nandito na ulit tayo sa Center Island. Ayan. Yung mga rides. Thank God they have beaver tails here. Ah! Ah! Ito na guys. Ito yung avalanche. Tapos, ito yung Hazel Amor. Natela yan, di ba? What you eating, bruh? What you eating? Ang cute naman. Nasakay kami dito, guys. So, tignan na muna namin yung sky ride. Ayan. Parang wala naman. Biel! Ito na! Wee! Biel! Swat! Hello! Hi! Tingnan mo, kita yung yung dagat. Tingnan mo, tingin ka dun. Tingin ka dito. Biel. Hello! Hi ka! Hi! Ayan na, record natin sila. We're done with the ride, guys. It was so fun! Kuya Di. Bye!
tignan natin mga mukha.
Yan guys. Magme-miss daw kami.
He said we're an auntie.
I can't believe that. Yan!
Oh, Tommy!
Bigat! Wow! Yan, thank you for visiting.
Ayan, na-video ka na ata nga.
Ayan na, Angel! Ayan na!
Magpo-float na.
Yan guys, ang food nila dito.
Grilled pork, tsaka chicken.
So yan guys, this is my pho.
Ay, wala pa yung kay Christine.
Beef. Literally rare. And then this one's the noodles. Sarap. Nagko-collect ka po, kuya? Grabe, ang dami. Cry babies. Yan ang tiger sugar, guys. Ayan guys, crunchy tiramisu.